G'day gang, Skypilot here with the Emax Freestyle number 2. Couple of mods on my unit here. I've put some BETAFPV 2540 props on here. Had a quick fly already, and yeah, let me tell you, she's pretty quiet, as you'll soon see. And I've also stuck on another lollipop antenna to see if that improves my VTX range of this cool unit. So as we all know, the milliwatts has been boosted up on this second in the series, so it's already a lot better than the original. $200 milliwatt VTX, so that in addition with my lollipop mod should improve my VTX. If you haven't seen this unit before, guys, just check out my last videos up on the screen there. And in the description. This thing is an awesome little beginner intermediate drone to fly. It's nice and smooth, it's fast, it's reliable, and it's a hell of a lot of fun. DVR recording today will be via my Sky Zones, as there's no onboard recording of this unit. Okay, let's see how quiet these props are and have a scoot around. Skypilot, thanks for stopping by. Quick line of sight, guys, first, and then we'll crack into some FPV. BETAFPV, they're the Gemfan 2543 bladers. Well, there she blows, guys. Oh, quite responsive. Okay, fairly responsive to the touch. Initial thoughts? Let's have a listen. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice, guys. Nice props. Yes, very smooth sounding. A lot quieter. So definitely, if you okay, certainly not as aggressive as the standard. Definitely not as aggressive is my initial feelings as the standard props. However, I think they're going to make for a nice smooth quiet flight, which would be handy if you live in suburban areas so you don't annoy your neighbours. Okay, off we go. Let's just do a bit of a slow cruise and check out that BTX. See if we have made any improvements by soldering in a lollipop, and straight away I would say that's a yes. Normally I'm a bit broken up over here. Please don't fly into me, birds. Okay, I'll just head out over here away from those birds. I'm saying that's a big plus, gang, for the lollipop VTX mod. Getting a low RX from my XM Plus, but that's cool. No, I'm happy with that. Yeah, definitely. She's definitely better than before. So yeah, if you guys want to improve VTX straight away, I'm going to say this is the mod for you. And all the links are down below like normal. Okay, let's have a bit of a cruise around. Get the flyby going. So I was going to have a listen. Yeah, it certainly does feel a lot smoother than the stock props, so not as snappy, not as aggressive. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. I'm quite liking this VTX, that's good. A few birds around today. Might be time to come home as we're getting low on batteries. So let us know what you think, gang, in the comments below. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Do you not like the colour? Do you not like the sound of them? They fly quite nice. I think I may buy another set of these and use these as my daily. They're pretty cool. Transmitter battery low. Okay. Okay, my transmitter battery's low, right. Now I've never been able to get over the road here with a Freestyle, so yeah. Excellent. Yeah, this VTX is really good, guys. Shall I risk it? There are power lines there. I don't want to fly near those. Hey, that's really cool, folks. I'm pretty happy this mod. It's worked really well. quick fly of the Emax Freestyle 2 with my modded VTX lollipop and some BETAFPV props. Flies nice, is pretty tough as nails. Great fun. See you next time, folks. Skypilot. Take it easy.